read off the sentences, none contain jail time for any of the quicks.
To put these people in jail isn't going to accomplish anything, because as soon as they get out, they're going to do this again. I'm hoping that we can rehabilitate by the community service and education that we can offer them so that they go on to be productive members of our society and don't continue to harm animals.
The father, Bradford Quick, was identified by investigators as the main operator of his family's puppy mill and given 5 years probation, 500 hours of community service, and was banned from ever owning or possessing animals again.
Because this is not just a criminal act of violation of the law, but it's also a violation of community standards with regard to the care and possession of animals.
If he violates that probation, Bradford could face up to 10 years in prison. He and his wife Penny will also have to pay back $25,000 in restitution to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals.
They need to be repaid for their services. Those animals are often, the expense to care for them often exceeds what we can even get in restitution, and the ASPCA is a nonprofit organization that depends upon only donations or restitution in the cases in which they serve us.
Penny and her daughters, Nora Lee and Danielle, were all given delayed probation in order to pay a number of fines and legal fees.
Embarrassment. And for that I apologize.
In Oscoda County, Michael Gordon, 7 and 4 News.